Hello everybody, I am Kanishka Thakur, an intern with Womenite, and I feel privileged to share our impactful tree plantation drive held across various government schools in Kondagaon district of Chhattisgarh. At Womenite, we believe that social change begins with small actions. We conducted the drive across multiple government schools in Kondagaon, ensuring a wide impact in both urban and rural areas. This drive was not just about planting trees, but planting hope for cleaner air, a greener earth,